Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So there is a text and the text gives you the idea that the direction for the questions is what? There is the passage, so uh, is accompanied by a set of questions. We need to choose the best answer to each question. So hope you have read the text as well as you understand the text. Let's see that what this text points out the question. So the text gives us the question that in the above passage, Nat Hand uses the metaphor, right? A metaphor of what? Metaphor of salt and river to illustrate what? So we need to find out the answer that according to the passage, Nathan uses the metaphor. So what do you mean by metaphor? Metaphor means a direct comparison, a direct comparison. So generally metaphor is used with the poem. So a direct comparison without uses of as and like. So here the metaphor of salt and a river to illustrate what? Let's say that the option given here, the first option points out here that when our hearts expand, people's shortcomings don't make us suffer, right? So it is what that point out here. Uh, look into the option again that when our hearts expand, people's shortcomings don't make us suffer. So option 2 points out that undrinkable water can always be changed into something useful. 3, that we must scrutinize others' shortcomings and that they need to change. And the fourth stated that a river is immense compared to a cup full of water. Well, if I look into the option 4, that a river is immense compared to a cup full of water, is a very literal meaning, right, of what Nathan says and does not touch upon his actual point, right? Hence, option 4 cannot be the answer. Option 3 point out that we must scrutinize others' shortcomings and that they need to change. So option 3 says the opposite of what Nathan is trying to say through his metaphor, that we must scrutinize others' shortcomings that they need to change. So which would be known as the opposite of it, but not the exact metaphor to it. So look into the option 2 that undrinkable water can always be changed into something useful. So which could be known as a misinterpreting the idea, right? What has been said in the passage. Look into the first option, so which look appropriate here, that when our hearts expand, people's shortcomings don't make us suffer. If you look into the first paragraph where it is stated that what the lines from the first paragraph of the passage mention that we can't accept or tolerate others and their shortcomings, and we demand that they change. But when our hearts expand, these same things don't make us suffer anymore. We have a lot of understanding and compassion and can embrace others. We accept others as they are, and then they have a chance to transform, isn't it? So it indicates that when our hearts expand, these same things don't make us suffer, right? Or people's shortcomings don't make us suffer, which will be indicating the appropriate metaphor to it. Hence, we will look into the option 1, which is the correct metaphor to the idea which is pointed here, salt and a river to illustrate. So, hope you understood. So, we could consider option A or the most appropriate comparison of salt and river to illustrate. That's all. Thank you.